Ito yung alaga namin na parrot. Lilinisan ko siya. Mga ginawa niya sa kulungan niya, oh. Sinira niya yung mga yung paper na nilagay ko. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ilang taon na siya. Pero 6 years na kasi ako sa kanila. Siguro I think he's more than 6 years old. And he's also talking. Yeah, say hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. So, linisan ko siya, guys. Yan. So, linisan ko siya. Saan ko ba siya pwedeng Yan. Yan siya. Yan. Yan. Kahit na nakabukas, hindi siya umaalis, oh. Takot siyang lumabas. Ayan na, malinis na siya. Ayan, malinis na ang bahay ni Jack. Hi, Jack! You know, guys, it's not easy to take care of, for me, for the animals, because, it's, I got the allergies for those, animals like cat, dog, and like this birds, because I got the allergy, asthma allergy. So I have no choice, because I cannot say no to the boss, because we are the, as a helper, you have no choice to say no. Yeah. So what I do is, while that I'm cleaning them, I'm using my mask to clean them. Even the the disabled there, I'm using my mask to clean them, to feed them, like that. So that's why, anyway, it's my pleasure. It's appreciating for me to take care of them, because they are also um, living living things. Yeah, and like this kind of bird is also give you some uh, funny, because he's also talking, and sometimes he's saying say hi, hello, like that. And you know we usually putting him in the kitchen, hang him in the kitchen, so if nobody in the kitchen, he is calling us. He's using his whistle to calling us. Yeah, so yeah, that's it, guys. So later I'm going to put paper under of this one, but uh, I don't know, he's going to broke the paper always. Yeah, but I have to put it there so that his his face going there, so it's easy to clean. Yes, so wait a minute. So guys, this is the food. Yeah, this one. There's a peanut. Yeah, this is her favorite. And there's some here. Yeah. So now I'm going to put some for him. So that's it, like that. Here's water. I put some water. And this is Jack. Hi, Jack. Are you happy? Yeah. I putting around his cage, so it's a plastic, so that uh, his feather won't be flying around the kitchen, and it's not easy. It's not easy to clean everywhere the kitchen. So that's why I put around the plastic. So guys, this is the finishing. I put the plastic around the cage, and there's Of course, huwag lalagyan dito kasi yan ang pasukan ng hangin para makahinga naman siya. Ayan. At least hindi mahihirapan, hindi gaanong lilipad yung feather niya. It's flying away all the feathers. So, this is the best idea to take care of. If we have a parrot there, any birds, yeah, this is the idea how to clean. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless you all, and those who are not yet subscribe this channel, please subscribe and like and share so that you are updated for all the videos that I uploaded. Thank you so much. Bye. Yeah. Nice, Jack. Nice. Sweet. Sweet watermelon.